Hello again. Someone is asking, what is the difference between I have lived in France for 2 years and I have been living in France for 2 years? So today I will speak about have lived and have been living. I have lived in London for 46 years. I have been living in London for 46 years. I have been living is an example of the present perfect continuous. It is made up of have been or has been and the ing form of the main verb. We use it for things that started in the past and continue until the present. Sometimes we add for and a duration, a period of time. And sometimes we add since and a point in time when it started, a date or a time. For example, I have been sitting in this chair since 10 o'clock. You have been watching this video for 20 seconds. He has been studying English for 3 years. Easy. I have lived is an example of the present perfect. The present perfect is made up of have or has and the past participle of the main verb. Every ordinary verb has a past participle. For example, eat, ate, eaten. Eaten is the past participle. See, saw, seen. Seen is the past participle. Live, lived, lived. Lived is the past participle. So, I have eaten breakfast. You have seen the film. He has lived in France. Easy. The present perfect usually describes things that happened in the past, were finished in the past, but are relevant now. For example, I will eat a cake. No, I am not hungry because I have eaten breakfast. I ate breakfast in the past. It was finished in the past, but it is still relevant now because I am not hungry. So I can use the present perfect. Another example, I have seen the Northern Lights. I saw the Northern Lights many years ago, but it is a life experience and we use the present perfect for life experiences because in a way they are relevant now because they are always with us. So the present perfect is used for things that started in the past and finished in the past, unless we use the words for or since. So if I say, I have lived in London, it means in the past, I have lived in London. But if I say, I have lived in London for 46 years, then it means I am still in London now. And if I say, I have been living in London for 46 years, it means I'm still in London now. So, are they different? And when do we use one and when do we use the other? Well, we cannot use the present perfect continuous with stative verbs. Stative verbs are verbs that describe a state and not a process. So, I like you. Like is a stative verb. So I cannot say I have been liking you for 10 years. I must say I have liked you for 10 years. But usually you can use either. I have lived in London for 46 years and I have been living in London for 46 years are almost exactly the same. I have lived slightly focuses on the fact that I have lived in London and I have been living slightly focuses on the time and the continuous nature, but it really doesn't matter. Anyway, I hope that helped and I do not live in London. I live in Wiltshire. See you next time. Bye.